Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kind of fun because I just took a trip to Penneys and I just vlogged it and filmed it for you guys to see of what is new in Penneys in December for Christmas, and I hope you guys are excited about this video. I'm going to show you what's all new in Penneys, so just stay tuned for that, and then I'm going to have like a little mini haul of stuff that I picked up at the end of this video. So if you want to see that, then you can skip on to that segment of the video, or if you want to see what's new in Penneys, then just keep watching. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys after we have seen what's new in Penneys for Christmas. Bye! haul segment of this video. The first things that I want to show you guys, I actually filmed a dedicated video to them already today, so I hope you guys will enjoy that when it is up. Anyway, the products I'm talking about are these two, which is this eyeshadow palette called the Berry Velvets, and it looks like that on the inside. So obviously I've used this for today's video, and I created this eye look with it, and it was like a copy of the Huda Beauty Mauve's Obsession. So that is what this looks like. And then I also picked up the Liquid Matte, the Nude Edit, and you get 4 nude liquid lipsticks on it, and I have the nude liquid lipstick on this side comparing it to a Huda Beauty liquid lipstick, and I think that they're quite similar. So that is the first two things I got. This was $3.50 and these were €5. So they're not like the most inexpensive thing from like Penneys makeup line, but I still think like €5 for 4 liquid lipsticks is like $1.25 each. That's pretty decent, and I've swatched them all there, comparing them to Huda Beauty. I'm actually super impressed with these, and I think I will actually pick up the pink, I think it's like the pink collection, the pink edit that they have, because I like the nude ones so much, and there's so many different shades there. You can see them at the top, and I just think that they look amazing. And like I said, I swatched them there and they're just so pretty. The next thing I picked up from Penneys was actually a hoodie. Because I'm going to the gym so often, I am finding that I'm running through hoodies like no tomorrow, because I wear hoodies down there and then like obviously wear at home, but like your body's a bit sweaty and you're putting your hoodie back on, so you're washing them a little bit more often. So I picked up this one for €8, and it's just a grey hoodie, and it's exactly what I wanted. I got it in a size small, and it's like a much thicker material than any of their hoodies that they've come out with in the longest time, and I'm actually super happy with it. Like, it has really warm like inside to it. So I just got a grey one because when I was doing up this apartment, I used to have a grey hoodie, a lovely grey hoodie, and I wore it in here one day and got paint on it stupidly, so I needed a new grey hoodie, and that one is just as nice as my last one. So happy out. I think my last one was from H&M. I'm happy out with the Penneys ones. It fits really nice, and it's just really inexpensive. €8, can't be going wrong. Next of all, from Penneys, I picked up this bag. Guys, look at this little bag. It is so cute. There was a bag like this in Zara about 2 years ago, exactly the same, but it was a much larger version of this bag, and I wanted it for so long, but I just couldn't justify €80 on a bag because I don't wear bags all that much, if that makes any sense. Like, I only have one bag, which is my Paul's Boutique one that I've worn to death, and then after that I'm not really like that interested in like branching out of my bags. But this one was so inexpensive. It was €12, and it has a chain handle, and it's just exactly what I wanted, exactly like the Zara one, but in a like smaller version. And it's just perfect, and it'd be perfect for winter, for this time of the year as well. Like, if you just want to bring your bag, if you just want to bring a bag and a wallet and your phone and whatever. It has this like faux snake skin effect on it, and I just adore this for €12. I picked up this beautiful red bra. Hello Christmas, here we are, I'm back, it's Christmas, and I just really liked this. It has like a satin trim on it, and I was in Victoria's Secret just before I went into Penneys, and I saw this nearly identical bra in Victoria's Secrets for like €58 or €62, something like that. I can't exactly remember the exact amount, but I was like, hello, €8 Penneys, definitely going to get that. And then I got the matching undies, which were, I think these were a little bit more expensive than normal, like €4 for undies, which I suppose is not too bad, but they go very nice together for Christmas. I don't know, I haven't had red underwear in the longest time ever, and knowing me, I'll probably wear them once and that's it, because I'm more of a black and white type of underwear gal. But I just thought red for Christmas, you can't really beat it. And hello, €8 for a bra, that's just a steal. I had to get it. I picked up some new workout pants. They were only €7. I find that the Penneys ones are comparable to some expensive workout pants I have. They're really squat proof. They don't have any, like, I don't have any issues with it ripping or anything like that. The material's quite thick in them, but not too thick, and a lot of them come with little pockets in them, especially when you're working out. It's great. And I just really like the band on this one. They were kind of like, it's more elasticated, I guess, and then the bottoms have like silver on the bottoms. I needed new black ones just in general, and these were perfect. They were, like I said, did I say €7? Yeah, €7 for them. And then I purchased a matching workout top. This is black, and it's kind of like meshy, but I have a black sports bra to go under this, so you won't be able to see too much. I wanted like one of these more loose fitting ones, and I have like neon pink ones and like orange ones and stuff, and I just wanted something really basic, like basic black. How exciting am I? But you know the way like black, I don't know, like when you're sweating and stuff, like it doesn't show it up as much as like a neon orange one or something. It can kind of like, you know. Anyway, you know what I'm getting at. So next up, I have a phone cover. Penneys are doing plus, like iPhone Plus phone covers. So I was very excited to get this one. It's gold, Christmassy. It was $2.50, and I always have to order mine from eBay, and they take forever and a day to arrive, and then sometimes they arrive broke, and then you have to like reorder something else, and it's just really annoying. So I picked that one up for $2.50, and then I also picked up the My Perfect foundation, but they've changed the name to it, so that's why it's been gone for the longest time ever. It used to be My Perfect Foundation or My Perfect Color Foundation or something. Now they've changed it to Double Coverage Matte Foundation, Long Wear Mattifying Finish. Hello, double wear. Like, it's like so obviously a copy on the name or a play on the name. Double coverage, double wear, Estee Lauder. I did a comparison of this. They actually have the My Perfect Color up here now, like listed here, but that used to be like the whole name of the foundation. I got the shade Toffee. That's the one that I always wear, and I've gone through like a whole bottle of this. I did a review of it comparing it to Estee Lauder Double Wear and the wear and everything like that. I'll leave the link to that video down below, and they are super comparable. It's like, it's mind-blowing. So I picked up a new bottle of that because I've ran through the other one. And then I picked up these gorgeous like little pair of earrings that I thought would be really cute for like obviously Christmas time. And I don't normally wear too many dangly earrings, but when I do see a pair that I like, I gotta have them. Then I picked up this liquid eyeshadow. It's supposed to be like the Stila liquid metals or whatever they're called. This was only €4, so I said I would give it a go. I'm gonna open it now and just actually see. Let's give this a little swatch and see what it's like. If this is similar to the Stila Magnificent Metals. Ooh, I don't know, it's not too dissimilar. It's a little bit darker than my Kitten, but I definitely, oh no, maybe not, maybe not. I think that would be really good to compare that to Kitten, Stila Magnificent Metals in Kitten, because it is actually really pretty. I'm going to pick up more of these. It's a lot better quality than I actually thought it was going to be. I know that sounds real snobby-ish of me, but you know the way sometimes you think like Penneys quality is going to be not so great, but they're really up in their game with their makeup, and I'm very impressed with it. And then the last thing that I bought is all tangled on me. Oh my god. What is going on here? It's a necklace. There we go. And it's like a double necklace. So it's gold and it has like these little coins on it. I just thought that they were really cute. Super happy that you guys came with me on this little Penneys adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed what I got in Penneys as well as what is new in Penneys. And if you like this kind of style of video, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you would like to see in my next video. I love you guys so much and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye!